Hey guys, I wanted to just show you some resources that are available to you. There's actually many resources available. I'm just discovering them myself. It's really cool. If you have a hard copy of the text, which probably not many of you do, but if you do, in the exercises, which many of these, I pull very similar exercises to put on WebAssign. Okay, they just change the numbers, but like you'll see a graph similar to this one, etc. We're in 2.4 right now, just for example, but they have QR codes. So if you were to use your phone and open up this QR code, you literally see a video to these certain exercises here highlighted, worked out. So that is a great help to you. I'm also going to show you how to access that on the website. So let me show you sharing my screen. Okay, so I have the textbook pulled up. Hopefully you see that. Let me just make sure that's what you're seeing. Okay, so if you're in our class and you click over here on ebook, it brings up, you can go to the table of contents. Oh, sorry. No, sometimes my computer is slow. Hopefully this doesn't take forever. I know many of you can click around and just figure this out on your own, but for those that need a little bit more direct instruction, I just wanted to model for you this. If it would pull up the website, I just have it coming up. Let's see. Basically, there's a table of contents. Okay, so you see the index, you can look up, we're in chapter 2 right now. I just finished chapter 2. You click on that, and then we're in 2.4. And so I wanted to show how, sorry, for some reason it's running really slow right now. So the various sections will come up and you'll be able to click on the section and then it brings you to the textbook. And so you can see I'm in 2.4 right now, and it's what we went over. It's the lecture that I went over. And that is the exercises. But if I click back, we went over the mean value theorem. There are even videos within this that you can click on and watch as well. So like this, for instance, here, properties of continuity.
Well, we're making this correlation. There's this correlation between limit and continuity all along, and we even see it in the properties. If we list properties,
so you can see this guy give you examples as well. So if you need extra help, if you are confused with the way that I've explained something, you can click here and see this. Okay, that I wanted to show you that. And then I also wanted to show that when you get to the exercises, you have the option to click on calc view, and then you can click section chapter 2, section 4, whatever, and what exercise you want to work out. They're not all the exercises, it's just selected ones. So here I clicked 11 and I put view video, and then this came up and you can see there's various instructors working out those particular homework problems.
Hi, I'm Cheryl Leach. In this problem, we're going to evaluate a limit. When I take a look at this particular limit, I'm looking at the limit of 1 over x plus 8 as x approaches 8 with this little plus symbol here. That means I'm dealing with a one-sided limit. I want to find out what's happening as x approaches 8 from the right side. Okay, well, let's take a look at my function 1 over x plus 8. That's a rational function. I know that I can evaluate the limit of any rational function as long as it's defined.
I'll just stop right there. A rational function, you see the word ratio in that it's a ratio of functions, which basically just means it's a fraction. So when somebody says a rational function, it means that it is a fraction. And remember, we talked about this fraction is always defined as long as the bottom is not equal to 0, which is what she's going to talk about. So anyways, I just wanted to show you some tools that are available to you when you're trying to do your homework. If you get stuck, there are several places. There's the whole text here. You can read through the text in addition to the lecture, and then the exercises are here. So you can see which exercises are similar to the ones that I've assigned, and you can look up answers to certain ones that will show you. And then there's also that video option with the calc view. So I hope that helps just in general. And please, again, email me if you have questions.